Welcome to Idea Sessions. In this video, we will cover 9 common mental health myths that people often believe. Mental illnesses are not real medical conditions. The myth that mental illnesses are not genuine medical conditions persists despite overwhelming evidence to the contrary. Mental health disorders, such as depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia, have well-established biological, psychological, and environmental roots. Neuroimaging studies consistently demonstrate structural and functional differences in the brains of individuals with mental illnesses. Additionally, genetic factors play a significant role in predisposing individuals to certain mental health disorders. Furthermore, the effectiveness of various medical interventions, including medication and psychotherapy, in treating these conditions further underscores their medical legitimacy. Dismissing mental illnesses as mere figments of imagination undermines the experiences of millions worldwide and perpetuates harmful stigma. Recognizing mental illnesses as real medical conditions is essential for promoting empathy, understanding, and effective treatment strategies. Mental illness is a sign of weakness. The misconception that mental illness signifies weakness overlooks the complex interplay of biological, psychological, and environmental factors contributing to these conditions. Mental health disorders can affect anyone, irrespective of strength, resilience, or character. They arise from a combination of genetic predispositions, neurochemical imbalances, traumatic experiences, and societal stressors. Viewing mental illness as a weakness perpetuates harmful stigma, discouraging individuals from seeking the help they need. Acknowledging and addressing mental health challenges require immense courage and resilience. Seeking support, whether through therapy, medication, or self-care practices, reflects strength and self-awareness. Combating this myth requires fostering empathy, education, and understanding, emphasizing that mental health struggles are a part of the human experience, deserving of compassion and support. People with mental illness are violent and dangerous. The misconception that people with mental illness are inherently violent and dangerous is both unfounded and harmful. While some individuals with severe mental health disorders may exhibit violent behavior, the majority do not pose a threat to others. In fact, studies consistently show that people with mental illness are more likely to be victims of violence than perpetrators. Blaming violence solely on mental illness oversimplifies complex social and psychological factors contributing to aggressive behavior. Stigmatizing individuals with mental health conditions perpetuates discrimination and impedes their access to support and treatment. Addressing this myth requires promoting accurate information about mental illness and challenging stereotypes. Emphasizing empathy and understanding can help create safer, more inclusive communities that support individuals struggling with mental health challenges. You can just snap out of mental illness if you try hard enough. The myth that one can simply snap out of mental illness by exerting enough effort disregards the profound complexity of these conditions. Mental health disorders, such as depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder, involve intricate interplays of biological, psychological, and environmental factors. While self-care practices, therapy, and lifestyle changes can be beneficial, they are rarely sufficient to overcome the challenges of mental illness alone. Just as one cannot will away a physical ailment, mental health struggles often require professional intervention, medication, and ongoing support. Believing in the notion of snapping out of mental illness places undue pressure on individuals, perpetuating guilt and shame. It is crucial to recognize that recovery from mental illness is a gradual process that requires patience, understanding, and comprehensive treatment approaches. Only certain types of people get mental illnesses. The misconception that only specific demographics or personality types are susceptible to mental illness is not only false, but also harmful. Mental health disorders can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, ethnicity, socioeconomic status, or other factors. While certain factors, such as genetics or life experiences, may increase someone's vulnerability, mental illness does not discriminate. From high achievers to those facing significant life challenges, anyone can experience mental health struggles. Believing in this myth perpetuates stigma and may prevent individuals from seeking help due to fear of judgment or disbelief. Recognizing the universal nature of mental health challenges promotes empathy, understanding, and access to support for all individuals navigating these issues, fostering healthier and more inclusive communities. Medication is the only treatment for mental illness. The myth that medication is the sole solution for treating mental illness overlooks the diverse array of effective interventions available. While medication can be an essential component of treatment for some individuals, it is not the only option. Psychotherapy, counseling, lifestyle changes, and holistic approaches can also play crucial roles in managing mental health conditions. Furthermore, the effectiveness of treatment often varies from person to person, highlighting the importance of personalized care. Relying solely on medication may neglect underlying psychological or social factors contributing to mental health issues. Additionally, integrating various therapeutic modalities can enhance overall well-being and resilience. Understanding that mental health treatment is multifaceted and individualized is essential for promoting comprehensive care and improving outcomes for those affected by mental illness. Mental health problems are just a phase and will go away on their own. The myth that mental health problems are temporary phases that will naturally resolve on their own is misleading and potentially harmful. While some individuals may experience brief periods of emotional distress, many mental health issues persist without proper intervention and support. Ignoring or trivializing mental health concerns can exacerbate symptoms and lead to long-term consequences. Addressing mental health challenges often requires professional guidance, therapy, and sometimes medication. Additionally, early intervention can prevent conditions from worsening and promote healthier coping mechanisms. Recognizing the significance of mental health struggles and seeking appropriate help is essential for individuals to regain stability and improve their overall well-being. Dismissing mental health problems as passing phases undermines the seriousness of these issues and can hinder individuals from accessing the care they need. People with mental illness can't hold down jobs or lead fulfilling lives. The myth that individuals with mental illness are incapable of maintaining employment or living fulfilling lives is deeply damaging and inaccurate. Many people with mental health conditions successfully manage their careers and lead meaningful lives with the appropriate support and accommodations. While mental illness can present challenges in the workplace, legal protections and reasonable accommodations exist to ensure equal opportunities for individuals with disabilities, including mental health disorders. With proper treatment, therapy, and workplace support, individuals with mental illness can thrive professionally and personally. Furthermore, fostering inclusive environments that prioritize mental health and well-being benefits not only those with mental illness, but society, promoting diversity, resilience, and productivity in the workforce. Seeking help for mental health issues is a sign of weakness. The myth that seeking help for mental health issues is a sign of weakness perpetuates stigma and discourages individuals from accessing the support they need. In reality, reaching out for help demonstrates courage, self-awareness, and a commitment to personal well-being. Just as seeking medical assistance for physical ailments is considered responsible, addressing mental health concerns is equally important for overall health and resilience. Professional help, therapy, and support networks offer valuable resources for navigating mental health challenges and developing coping strategies. By acknowledging the strength it takes to seek assistance and promoting a culture of openness and support, we can break down barriers to care and empower individuals to prioritize their mental health without shame or judgment. Addressing these myths can help promote understanding and reduce stigma surrounding mental illness. If you found value in today's video, make sure to watch our other videos about mental health and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. By subscribing, it will help us do similar videos. So, if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell to never miss an update. In the description below, they are links that can help you work on reducing your anxiety, stress, insomnia, and depression. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.